Are you trying to decide between Wise and OFX for your money transfers? You're not alone. Today, we're comparing these two popular services to help you find the right fit. Both Wise and OFX let you send money internationally. They aim to make transferring cash easy and affordable. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Wise. Wise is known for its transparent fees. It uses the real exchange rate, which means you usually get more for your money. The platform is user friendly and you can easily track your transfer. Wise is great for personal transfers and small businesses alike. Now, let's look at OFX. OFX is a solid choice for larger transfers. It offers good rates, but they can vary. They also have a dedicated account manager for clients who send a lot of money. OFX is popular among businesses and people who need to send large amounts. Uh, so, what are the main differences? Wise is best for uh, smaller everyday transfers, while OFX shines with larger amounts. Wise has lower fees and a straightforward approach. On the other hand, OFX provides personalized service for big transactions. When it comes to features, Wise offers a simple app and quick transfers. OFX has advanced tools for businesses and a strong focus on customer support. In terms of pricing, Wise is usually cheaper for smaller amounts. OFX may have better rates for larger sums, but watch out for potential fees. In the end, if you're sending smaller amounts, Wise is the way to go. If you need to transfer larger sums and want extra support, consider OFX. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights.